In today's video, I'll be doing an SEO training crash course for beginners so that you know the basics of SEO to help optimize your websites so they rank higher in Google, get more search traffic, and ultimately grow your business. So let's get started. In today's SEO training, I want to teach you the most important SEO basics that you need to know. Now, the first step is this very important question that you need to ask yourself. What is your business about? Brainstorm words and phrases related to your business. So phrases around what you do, who you serve, the services you offer, the products you sell, etc. So let's just say we are a personal trainer. So one obvious keyword would be personal trainer. And maybe we focus on weight training. So I added weight training. And in terms of services we offer weight loss services, and we also sell a diet plan. So I'm going to put down diet plan. Now, after you are done creating a list of your seed keywords, we then want to do additional research to find additional keywords that we may have missed and some longer tail keywords, more descriptive keywords as well. So in order to do that, we need to find the auto-suggested terms inside Google. So we are going to Google each one of these seed keywords. So let's first Google weight training. Now, when you click on this search bar, you can see the auto-suggested terms automatically populate right here. So take a look at the ones that are most relevant to you and add them to your list. Now, I do have the Keywords Everywhere browser extension installed. And with that extension, I can see the average monthly search volume for every single one of these keywords. This helps me see which are the most popular keywords in this list. Now we can find additional long tail keywords as well when we scroll. So when we take a look at the People Also Ask section, we can pull some long tail keywords right here. Is 30 minutes of weight training a day enough? How many times a week should you lift weights? Top 5 weightlifting exercises. So this section also will provide you with some long tail keywords. And as we continue to scroll down, we can take a look at this section right here for additional keywords. So weight training meaning, weight training benefits, weight training for women, and so on. We can also take a look at the widgets on the right-hand side provided by the Keywords Everywhere browser add-on. We can take a look at the trending keywords associated with weight training, some related keywords related to weight training, and also some long tail keywords as well. And we can see the average monthly search volume for each one of these keywords as well. Now this helps us quickly determine which of these keywords are the most popular. And ideally, we do want to focus on the keywords with higher search volume, but also keep in mind if the keywords do have lower search volume but are still relevant for your business, you still want to add that to your list. Okay, so for weight training, I did add these two long tail keywords. So weight training for beginners, for weight loss. And when I Googled personal trainer, I did find this personal trainer for weight loss and also online personal training. And for weight loss services, I did find this one, full body weight loss exercise. And when I Googled diet plan, I found 7-day protein plan for weight loss. So once you create a list of your target keyword, the next step would be number 2, and that's to create helpful content. So for this step, we want to create a page for each target keyword we listed above. So a page for each one of these keywords, and also a page for these keywords as well. Now, when we create these pages, we want to make sure that the pages are helpful for our readers and also for Google. And to make them helpful, we need to focus on these elements right here. You want to make sure that your target keywords are added to the URL, the page title, meta description, and the headers. So for example, online personal training, you want to add this keyword in your URL, page title, description, and headers. So I found an example page earlier. So you can see for this page, online personal training is in the URL, and it's also in the page title and across the body copy. Now, an easier way to analyze this page would be to use SEO Minion. So if you click on the SEO Minion browser add-on, you can click on Analyze on-page SEO, and you can see the URL right here, which says online personal training. you can see the title that also includes online personal training, the meta description, and you can also see all of the headings. So when you add your target keyword to these areas, not only are you letting your readers know what this content is about, you are also letting Google know what this content is about, which will help you rank higher for that target keyword. Now, you also want to add internal links and external links to your body copy as well, including any helpful photos and or video. And lastly, you want to add JSON-LD schema markup. Now, JSON-LD provides Google with contextual information about your web page, okay? So it helps Google understand if this is an article, a review, a recipe, etc. Now, JSON-LD is code that you would add to the HTML of your page. Now, you can search for schema markup generator to generate that JSON-LD code, or an easier way would be to use an SEO WordPress plugin. Now, there are many SEO WordPress plugins out there that will automatically create the schema markup for you. Now, after we create our helpful content, the last step in this SEO training is to build backlinks. Now, backlinks are links from other websites linking to your website. If you have backlinks from quality websites, relevant websites, and if you have more backlinks, then it will be easier for your website to rank in Google. Now, here is a list of places where you can build your backlinks. Now, if you haven't already, I would recommend adding links to your social media profiles. And if you are a local business, add them to your local directories. And you can also find competitor backlinks. So you can find the websites that are linking to your competitors and try to add a link on those websites pointing to your website as well. So here is how you find competitor backlinks. So I'm going to go back here and say, for example, this is one of our competitors. And with the Keywords Everywhere browser add-on, you can see these two rows right here. And we are going to focus on this first row right below the title and click on Show Backlinks. And here's a list of backlinks to the page. You can see the URL, the anchor text, and also the Moz domain authority. So what you should do is see if you can also get a backlink from these websites as well. You can reach out to the authors of these pages and see if maybe you can collaborate on a content piece or participate in a guest post or find another way where you can add a backlink to their websites. Now, another way to build backlinks is to find unlinked mentions. So an unlinked mention is when a website mentions you or your business, but they didn't link back to your website. Take a look at all the pages that mention your name or business, and if they don't link back to you, you can reach out to the author and see if they can add a backlink to your website. You can also find broken links on relevant web pages. Sometimes companies go out of business, or some authors delete pages altogether, which leads to broken links. And if that happens, what you can do is reach out to the author to let them know that they do have a broken link on their article and suggest a helpful article on your website that they can link to instead. Now, to find broken links on a web page, you can use SEO Minion, okay? So for any web page that you are on, you can click on Check Broken Links, and SEO Minion will find any broken links on this page. And if there are broken links, you can reach out to this author and see if they can replace that broken link with a link to your article or website. And the last way to build backlinks kind of relates to step number 2, create helpful content. So if you create helpful content, naturally others will want to link to those pieces of helpful content. Now, these are 3 very linkable assets, okay? So maybe you can create an FAQ page that lists out the most common questions that people ask in your niche, and you can answer those questions and put them on one single page. You can also create a dictionary as well with all the common terms within your niche and define each one of those terms. You can also create a page with your own original data. So if you've done any research in the past, you can put that data on a page. So if an author is writing on that specific topic, they can link to your page with that original data that you've collected. All right, so these are ways you can build backlinks to your websites. All right, so this is my SEO training crash course for beginners. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to check out our other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.